southwestern Ware County in southeastern Georgia until 6:45 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line from Winnebago over Garden City, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source. Oh, wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intact. Damage to roof. Siding and trees. Locations impacted include Waycross, Jamestown, Pebble Hill, and Dixie Union. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in Georgia: Pierce and Ware,